Hi guys, this is Destruction Dragon. So, tried recording a video till my mic stopped working. So, pardon me if I accidentally post that, because I got confused. But anyway, today we are playing Warrior Cats. I am the leader of riverclan, and I think I'm the RP leader too. Let me drop. Yeah, you can pick up stuff. And if any of you haven't played this, this is, well, it's in the name. Warrior Cats RP. It's an RP. And you can actually hunt. I'm going to hunt. I'm going to hunt. Hang on. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to show you guys how to hunt. So I'll show you how to hunt fish and how to hunt like prey. And here's the mini map. And I'll show you the way to, you know where. The high stones. riverclan cat. Okay. What's the matter? Owner wants to meet you. Okay. To my no longer. She wants to meet you. Send them to my den. What is this kid wearing? Hi. I've never ever seen a leader in a very long time. Why? No, like actually. Or a deputy. Why? Okay, excuse me. What? Oh. Okay. Oh, did I ask the wrong question? She is a longer alone, sir. She wants to be with us. She can join. I've been alone in the woods with no company. She can join. She can. May she join? She can join. Jack Frost. She smells in happiness. The leader has spoken. You may join. Thank you, Dr. Moons. Dr. Moons is going to take care of Jack Frost. And, okay, one more time. I'm going to show you guys how to hunt, and I'm going to try to show you to the moonstones, too. Okay. So, right here in the top left, right? I don't care. I don't know. You will see where we are. Okay, I'm not the one who's supposed to be collecting herbs. Okay, so then you go into this crouch, and then you put on this tab, and press hunt. And yes, you might think, oh, you can't hunt any prey. You actually can, you just gotta be patient. There's a fish icon too sometimes. That's how you get rainbow trout. There is the fresh kill pile. I doubt Aaron Hunter would not let this game hunt. I've caught a bird before. I've stolen prey, actually. I know, bizarre. So we're either gonna look for a fish signal, maybe prey. So what you gotta do is, like, you gotta creep in the woods. Gotta do just what I'm doing. There will be icon like this, falls. This is riverclan camp. I'm pretty sure if you tap on it, no, you don't teleport, but fish icon. This is okay. What was that? This is how you get to fish. Okay, so here's the river. Grab fish. So there's the fish icon that comes, and once it's in the green box, you gotta grab fish. See? Then there's also one that was stop hunting. She's in riverclan territory. Hi. Okay. Lucky kitty pet. So they do KP for kitty pet, RL for rugged and longers, RC for riverclan. That fish you caught was cool. Do you want it? Do you want it? No. Thank you. Join. River. Can you join the riverclan? No, like, seriously. I'm the leader of riverclan. Leopard Star. You should. Yay. Oh, really? Are you kidding me? They can't say any of it? Okay, I'm gonna try and catch another fish. So here you press this and you can stop fishing. But if you press hunt, yeah, these fish icons will come up. Because then that's how you know you can fish there. When I was trying in the video where my mic failed, this is where I caught the fish to show you. But my mic failed, so I can't really post it. So yes, this means stop fishing. You saw me the fish that goes into the green box. I'd press grab fish. Fish go really fast. So when you see one, don't sometimes I immediately press it, but I wouldn't suggest you immediately press it. I could swear if they were hawking fish go by Star. I am Leopard Star. I am the mighty leader. Huh. Rabbit's gone. Cause it's in her jaws. See that? She took my rabbit. Okay. So, this is a riverclan. This is one of my riverclan cats, Leopard Star. There is one YouTuber that plays this too, that I know of. There's like 1,000 other YouTubers. They have one named Splitface. Oh my god. Splitface is so cute. So if you could check him out. He's funny too. There's a riverclan cat. What is a riverclan cat doing here? Spectator. Oh. His eyes are closed. No cat saw that. No cat saw that. I am Lolita. Hang on. Does that just mean apprentice, or does that mean medicine cat apprentice? That just means apprentice. Okay. So, I need to go to my deputy, and this video probably was long, probably wasn't long, but let me tell you, I've been on for an hour. I need to find my deputy now. Oh, frick. That's the apprentice. No, that's the nursery. Let's go. Oh. Where is the warrior den? Oh! Apprentice den. That's annoying. Deputy. Stream twig. Stream twig. Oh gosh. Stream twig. Can you lead? I have to go. Can you lead? Thank you. Okay. So we're gonna leave. That was fun to play Warrior Cats with you guys. Obviously it's limited edition. Maybe when I play, I might do. Don't do this. My brother forces me to play this. We could do Lion's Pride. 345 people play. That's how popular Warrior Cat is. Maybe I just don't know how to switch. My Little Pony's Prison Run. Are you kidding me? Ain't no. Wait, nobody's gonna play that. Noobs not allowed. Oh my. Play or die. If you guys seen that video, it is just. It's weird. His voice is really weird. What is this? Up here? Nope. Dismiss. That is Emma. No. That is Horse. She's my friend from school. I have 227 Robux. If I could have a donation, please, maybe you could join the server I am on, or I could make a server, maybe. And I'd have enough money for Game Pass. I'd have enough Robux for Game Passes. Although, so you would know when I'm in. Oh, I didn't really show you my cats. Shoot. I'm gonna show you my cats real quick, so you know which cats to look for. Obviously, it's December 26th, 2024. And right now, this is towards the end, and it's 11:48 a.m. So, I'll do another Warrior Cats one, and we'll go to the winter 2024, the coming storm. The frozen forest struggles on their okay. Out laughs on slide. I don't know what that says. Of leaf bear, enter and hunt for prey alongside one of the fact to earn in-game rewards and Roblox badges. I don't know what that is. Okay, so this is my editor. So I'm gonna go over them, and I'm gonna say their names, what clan they're in. This is sometimes Storm Kit or Smoke Kit. This one would probably be Smoke Kit, and that one would probably be Storm Kit. This one is an all clan cat, so she'd be in any clan. Or I don't know. This cat is a large warrior. I've unlocked the large warrior with my Robux. Should I do another slot? No. Okay. Her name's Darkstripe. Sometimes she's Bloodstripe. She is a Rugged or a Shadow Clan warrior. This one is the same, but this one's Storm Kit. It is a all cat clan warrior thing kit. These two will mostly be in Thunder Clan, but otherwise, this one is let's do large warrior 2. So this one I use as my Shadow Clan leader. Her name is Shadowstar. This one is Cloud Kit. Sometimes her name is Cloudtail. And just to warn you, how you get the blue color is these down here. These are the blue colors you will get. Okay, this is Stormfur. This is Storm Kit. Her name would be like Stormtail. This is Stormfur. or no, Thunderfur. Or she has a lot of different names. She doesn't really have one actually. These ones are my favorite. These three, all in a row. These are ThunderClan. You could probably guess, but I'll give you 5 seconds to guess what cat this is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll give you an extra 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. If you got it correct, yes, this is Redtail. He does not stay. No, he's not a large warrior yet. He is a large warrior. He is a former deputy of ThunderClan. Okay, no, these two are WindClan. You gotta remember, these two are WindClan. Redtail, he is the deputy of ThunderClan. I actually copied him off a picture that I searched on Google. You need to look for the name Redtail. That looks like this. You know what? Oh, dear me, heavens to Betsy. So I gotta fix him up now. I forgot what he looked like. Okay, there we go. So, go to paintbrush. Go here. Nope, wrong one. So that's Redtail for ya. And my name on Roblox is Dragon22. Then you could probably find me and then underneath my name from Dragon22 would be KB51072. And then this is Gray Stripe. He's just a warrior. He is the deputy of ThunderClan 2 after Blue Star dies. So it go from Redtail to Lionheart to Tiger Claw, and then to Gray Stripe. No, they've gone through like, hang on, let me count. 5. No, they've gone through a lot more. But from what I know of in the books, it'd be Redtail that started. And then it'd go Lionheart when Redtail dies from Tiger Claw. And then when Lionheart dies from an attack, then it becomes Tiger Claw. And then when Tiger Claw gets banished from ThunderClan and becomes leader of Shadow Clan, it turns into Fireheart. Yeah, Firestar was first Fireheart. But when he was Fireheart started as a kitty pet. Then his name as a kitty pet was Rusty. But anyway, it went to Fireheart. Then when Fireheart became Firestar, the deputy was Gray Stripe. That's what I know. Does this look like Gray Stripe to you? If it doesn't, please show me a picture. Okay. Then this is the one I was playing as. This is Leopard Star. Hang on. No, I've got to show you Firestar. This is my beauty, Firestar. My friend Moonlight helped me with it. This is my large warrior, the one I was playing as, Leopard Star, like I told you. This is Water. Sometimes her name becomes Water Stream. she is a beautiful riverclan warrior. And I'll show you. These are the blues. Okay. This is the blue. So this is how you get the blue. Down here. And on the tips of her ears. Save. Confirm. Oh, look at her now. Wave looks like this now. She is a riverclan warrior. Leaf Star doesn't really look like Leaf Star, but she's a Wind Clan leader. Her clan, she is the Sky Clan leader, but there is no Sky Clan in here, so the next thing I could think of for her was Wind Clan. Then, one of my favorites, my second favorite, Blue Star. This is Blue Star. She is the leader of Thunder Clan, a very, very, very skilled and talented leader. I really like Blue Star. Okay. So this is Blue Star. She is the Thunder Clan leader. Okay, sorry, I'm busy right now. Trying to lighten up her fur. I don't really know this, right? Okay, so this is Blue Star. Then this is my last one. This is Wave Kit. Her warrior name is Wave Pool. She is a river clan kit. When she becomes a warrior, her name is Wave Pool, or whatever they do. So let's go over this again. Smoke Kit. All clans, but mostly Thunder Clan. This, red stripes, blood stripes, dark stripes, rugged, or thunder. No, shadow. Storm Kit, all clan, but mostly thunder. Shadow Star. I forgot. Shadow Clan leader. Cloud Kit. Warrior name. I don't know. Snow Kit. I don't care. She's Wind Clan. This is Storm Kit. Her name would be Stormtail. Storm Fur. Although she's a kit right now. Anyway. Warrior name Storm Fur. These two. Wind Clan. Red Tail. Deputy of Thunder Clan. Oh, I just skipped 2 cats. 3. Gray Stripe, Deputy of Thunder Clan. Firestar, Leader of Thunder Clan, and Deputy and Warrior and Apprentice. Leopard Star, Deputy and Leader of River Clan. Water, water streams or something like that. Warrior of River Clan. Leaf Star, leader of Sky Clan, but she is let's just say, Wind Clan leader. She's the Wind Clan leader, but she's the formal Sky Clan leader. I cannot talk. Blue Star, leader of Thunder Clan. She does have a big scar along her back, but I couldn't find that. It's like a thigh scar. It's a thigh scar. But anyway. And then Wave, Kit of riverclan, and her name's Wavepool. So these are the cats you will need to look for, and I gave them the specific clans. Mostly Thunder, but all clans. Rugged or Shadow. All clan or Rugged or Kitty Pet. But mostly Thunder. Leader of Shadow Clan. Wind Clan. Wind Clan. Thunder, Thunder, Thunder. River, River. Wind, Thunder, River. So those are the cats you will look for. Obviously, any of these would be rugged, but these two, no. These three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those will never be ruggages. Leopard Star, Blue Star, Red Tail, Gray Stripe, and Fire Star. These cats will never be ruggages. No. Blue Star, Leopard Star, Red Tail, Gray Stripe, Fire Star, and Leaf Star will never be ruggages. They are from the books, but these will. And if you find me, congratulations. I might actually gift you the skin I am. So if you find me and I'm in my red tail skin, I might give you my red tail skin if I feel like it. I can always make another red tail. I might change your skin into a red tail. Or you could show me your best skin, and if it's worth it, I'll trade you for my red tail. I have an empty slot. Or I might give you my Fire Star. My Fire Star is my precious little baby. Or my Gray Stripe. Gray Stripe was actually once a traitor to ThunderClan because his kids were forced to live back into riverclan. But, so they did, and a Gray Stripe went with him. So he is a riverclan and ThunderClan warrior. You will see him in both, but mostly Thunder. And Firestar, of course, these will, so, like, I could give you Water, or Wave, Blue Star, or Leaf Star. You probably won't want Leaf Star. I could give you Dark Stripes. If you get this one, the only names you're allowed to use for her, she's a she-cat, is Blood Stripes, Dark Stripes, or Red Stripe. She has to have Stripe in her name. She will never be a leader, or if she does, it's up to you. You could get her. I'm gonna have Red Stripes, I'm gonna call her Red Stripes now, be the mate to Red Tail. So I could give you Red Stripes, and I could be Red Tail, and they would be mates. So I have one empty slot. It's either now or never for you to earn one of my skins, and I could have yours. Because I don't think you lose your skin. Like, if I give you Red Tail, I don't think I lose him. I just think I get your skin put right here. put it right on display. And I actually might play as that cat too. So, yeah. This is Redtail. We played as Leopard Star. And I was happy to play with you guys today in Warrior Cats Unlimited Edition. Trust me, I will do destruction in Minecraft soon. That is one of my videos I'm going to make. We're going to have a TNT contest with Alex. I'm going to send him to one side of the map, and I'll go to the other side of the map. We'll do as much TNT as we can. And if you've watched my videos, you know Lava TNT is my absolute favorite TNT. But this is Destruction Dragon. Peace out.